Everyone will have to
help yourself.
Sir, what message you would like to give on your own birthday? Like, what you would like to advise the people, sir?
Don't eat sweets.
Sir, yeah, what has kept you so healthy?
I can just say thank you everyone for wishing me all these happy birthday wishes, and I hope you live a life where you don't need me, so that I can also live in peace, you also can live in peace.
Yeah.
What has kept you so healthy? What has kept you so healthy?
I see every day now problems if I am not healthy. So that is a motivating force to me.
But any specific things that you observe, so to keep yourself fit?
Fit?
To make yourself available for thousands.
Always be moderate. Don't do anything to extreme. Eat moderately, sleep well, exercise well, and be happy. Your happiness should not depend on others. Nobody should take away your happiness.
Thanks.